Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to make wallpaper transparent on Android. Just as the name of this app suggests, the transparent screen and live wallpaper app will use your phone's camera and give a transparent look to your phone. Go to the Play Store on your Android phone and search for the Transparent Screen and Live Wallpaper app. Download the app once you find it. Open the app once it is downloaded and select the transparent option that appears on the screen. Now you need to give permission to the app to take pictures and record videos on your phone by tapping on while using the app. On the next screen, select the Set Wallpaper option. You have to choose whether you want to set the wallpaper as your home screen or as your home screen and lock screen both. Now exit the app as you normally do and use your phone with an always transparent wallpaper screen.